Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to see my Wi-Fi password in laptop Windows 10. To get started, open the control panel from the search box. When you access the panel, click on Network and Internet. After this, click on the line Network and Sharing Center. There you will see your current networks. Click on the Wi-Fi network. In the pop-up window, click on the Wireless Properties button. After this, in the Security tab, you can see the password in the field, Network Security Key. Check the box, show characters to see it, to hide them, uncheck this box. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.